If your shade makes unusual noise during operation and other issues have already been ruled out, the problem may come from a loose tail mechanism.
Let's check it step by step. Hold the tail spring in place with your finger and remove the tube with your other hand.
Or loosen these screws.
Next, take the tail mechanism out to check its connection is loose with the tube. If so, it can be pulled out easily. To fix the looseness, wrap 1 or 2 layers of double-sided tape around it. And insert it into the tube. You may also notice the groove patterns on the tailpiece. The spacing between these grooves is slightly different. If the wider groove is used with the roller tube, it may cause a loose fit. So use the narrower groove side for a tighter fit. Finally, use a screwdriver or a handy tool to hold the spring, then assemble them back in place.